Alright, it's a tier list video today. Let's just do this quick. Where did this guy go? Probably here. Alright, I'm gonna do this quick. So, what am I gonna rank first? Maybe just go Gojira. Gojira is a very, like, mid kaiju. Can spam a lot. Wait, where the hell did he go? Oh, he's here. He can spam a lot. Like, if you're going to face tank him, you're gonna have to take a lot in like 5 seconds. Yeah. And he can beam spam you too. He has like 2 beams. So yeah, he's a pain in the butt, but yeah, he's manageable. And plus he's a glass cannon, so you're fine. Burning Godzilla is like immediate A or B, probably like mid A. Like, it's just Heisei, but like, I think stronger. The V ability, yeah. Lose HP, gain more attack, from what I heard. I have to put Final Wars above it though, because Final Wars' DPS is actually really good. It can beat Heisei Godzilla in like a 1v1 match. And the Heisei Godzilla is going to snipe it from afar. Final Wars beats it in that too. Beats it in range and melee. So yeah. Frost is alright. Frost is alright. I think he relies too much on like status effects. But other than that, he's alright. Godzilla 2014. Definitely pretty good kaiju to begin with. And yeah, I can see good DPS, good HP. Speed isn't a lot, but you have the strongest beam out of the legendary Godzillas, so you're fine. He's good. 2019 is like better in every way. Do I put him A tier or S? Gonna put him A tier for now. I think 2019 has a very ambush playstyle. A lot of people use the beam first to start a battle. I'd rather do the I think it was called Primal Charge. I had to do the third attack first. Godzilla 2021 is like bro, he's straight up really good. I don't know if he's better than these two, but he's like really good. Well, not too good till he's S tier. Definitely not. I'm generally unsure. Gonna put him above Final Wars for now, because he can really just beat up Final Wars in melee combat. Ultima's the best Godzilla in the game. Heisei Godzilla is literally just burning but weaker. Hey, where'd he go? What the crap? Come on, where'd he go? Where did you go? Ah, there it is. He's literally just burning but weaker. Actually, no, it doesn't feel right. Oh, you're right, stationary mode. Yeah, the two Heisei Godzillas are practically the same. Godzilla Jr. is immediate, like, C tier, if not better than Gojira. I feel like he's weaker than Gojira now. Gojira can spam a lot. He has 2 beams. And Godzilla Jr. is like keeping the distance. Gojira can easily beat him in that. and melee prowess. Kamala Kun immediate D tier. No questions. Millennium Gojira has a really good buff. Like, the V ability is pretty good. When you use your beams, you get like, I forgot what it's called. I think you get durability. I don't know, but yeah, he's pretty good now. Kamakura-san. He has 3 beams, man. He's like a menace to fight against, especially in long range combat. A lot of the melee Godzillas like Godzilla 2021, Godzilla 2019 could beat him if they get close enough. But yeah, Shin's pretty good. Shinagawa's alright. I have a level like 44 Shinagawa. He was pretty good, I would say. Sho Gojira is Gojira, but better. Every single way he can fly. He can straight up just fly. He has like 2 dash attacks. Yeah. Thormo is like, I don't want to put him above Ultima, but I feel like I should. I'm gonna put him above Ultima. Other than Game Passes, Ultima's definitely the best Godzilla. Thormo's pulse is like insane. You don't want to get caught in that. But anything that can outrun it can easily just beat it. I don't know, because I beat a Thormo once, it was pretty easy. And Gears is just slightly better than Kamala-kun. Singular point in Gears is just the same thing, if not slightly better or slightly weaker. Titanis Kong is like the most like saddest thing ever. He's so mid. He's so mid. He has good speed, he has good attack. I know because I have Max Kong. But he's just not good. He kind of just fell off pretty hard. Kong 2017 is like actually a glass cannon. You fight against him with far range moves, then he'd absolutely die to you. You clap him. Hazen Rodan's alright. I mean, like, he's not bad, especially when you get to fire Rodan, but the DPS is just lacking, kind of. The beam isn't strong enough. I think it's his HP stat too. Titanus Rodan is like, where do I even put this guy? Where are all the Godzillas on top? Bro is like immediately like A tier or S tier. Bro's annoying as shit, but that's really all he's got. Other than like the V ability. He's just stronger. Rudon's annoying as shit. Yeah. All the Rodans are pretty high tier. And when I mean all, I mean only 2. Mouthful Larva, no one plays you. I think Kamala-kun's slightly better. Or is... Nah, he's just slightly above Kamala. Damn, we're gonna be here for a while, huh? Apparently I checked, there was no Rose bio and Gabara. Sad. I'd probably put him in like B tier or something. Titanus Mothra. It's literally just Rodan, man. It's just another Rodan, but with blindness. So I think that's better. Plus she's much smaller, so you can barely hit her. I think I'm pretty sure above 2021. Yeah, kind of. I'm gonna move them up. Heisei Mothra is just another Titanus Mothra, but just better. I'm like, she's alright, but kind of just fell off. I don't want to put her above Frost. And I don't feel I want to put Frost below Millennium. Heisei Ghidorah, despite being outdated, is like, it's still good. He didn't fall off as much. He's still really good. As you know, I'm gonna put him in like B tier. High B tier. No, that's not high. Do I want to put him above Monkey? No, Monkey beats him. There's somewhere on there. Mid B. He isn't bad. Neither is he like too good. He's just strong. Sure, Ghidorah, he got nerfed too hard. I think he's just slightly above Showa. Godzilla. You can't cheese every fight anymore. Monster Zero is like immediate S tier. You can't ask me why. Manila X2. No questions. But Showa Manila is like Gojira, but much worse. Gonna put Shinigami above him. Kamakura is just like absolute garbage. I'm not into the D tier. I think we're gonna put Single Point in here slightly above him. Does he also beat Minya? Holy crap, he's gonna beat Minya. Yeah, he beats Minya pretty easily. Q-Manga actually has potential, but it's his hitbox. Daigon, I don't know why everyone keeps putting him like very low on list, but he's actually really good, I'd say. Zombie Gigan's like A tier, man. Like, bro, he's practically unkillable. Check Jaguar Beta. He got nerfed too hard. I'd say he's above the two other Godzillas. Just slightly. This guy just fell off. He can't just fell off. Gonna have to like put him just slightly. He's kind of just show Godzilla, but less annoying. I don't know what happened to Megalon. He kind of just isn't good. He isn't really that good at all. I'm not sure he can abuse hitboxes. Okay, maybe that brings him up a little bit. Just like abusing hitboxes isn't gonna do you much. I think Showa Godzilla's better than both. Mechagodzilla is like top tier kaiju. Top tier kaiju. No question asked. Do I move up Thermo? No, Mechagodzilla outruns him. Ready Player One has too low of a HP stat, but he's the definition of a glass cannon. He's good. Showa Mech just died. Okay, he isn't that bad anymore, but still, it's sad. It's just really sad. Yeah, he's like this much. That's really the most I could bring him up. Kiryu though is like pretty good. Kiryu is pretty good, I have to say. Roughly around as good as Millennium Godzilla. Bios Ultima, but worse. This. There you go. Gonna move him down a little bit. Damn, a lot of these old model kaijus are somehow really good. Alright. Volcanic Bio, just sad. Volcanic Bio sad. Volcanic Bio sad. Sad B tier. Evo 1 S tier, like, bro, this guy is. This guy can massacre you. Destroyer. Okay, now we're getting in all the endgame kaijus, man. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna have to put him like. No, not A tier. He hasn't fell off yet, oddly enough. I don't know how. He's useless on land. His speed isn't that good. And he relies too much on like massive HP stats. So when you nerf his HP, he kinda just gets worse and worse. Millennium. Millennium's solid, I have to say. He's solid. Kamibas is Gizora, but just actually usable on land. Because of that, I'm gonna have to like put him like, yeah, just this high. No wait, no, they're both the same. Mega Gyros. I don't know where to put this guy, honestly. His speed is really good. His attack DPS is alright. His HP is fine. Oh wait, no, that's not fine. That's garbage. Yeah, he's fine. Batra. Batra's Heisei Mothra, but worse. Gonna have to put him below Mega Gears because Mega Gears has that one good thing, which is his HP. Immediate D tier. Manda is like really good. You can clap most of these kaijus up here. I fought a Max Heisei before. I beat him pretty easily. Especially with like the gold thing. The gold V ability turns to gold. I think buffs attack, buffs HP, regen. I think buffs speed too. I don't know. I haven't played I haven't played Manda for a really long time. I do have him at level 50 and he's a powerhouse. Too bad he got nerfed to do. Got nerfed. Yeah. Not sure how strong he is now, but gonna just put him slightly above Zombie Kagan. He's roughly the same power as I say. Don't want to put him above Final Wars. Final Wars claps Heisei. If went for the stationary mode. Oh, you're right, stationary mode. But still, Final Wars can beat him in like every other way. Akira got nerfed too hard. Just. It's alright. Honestly, better than Shomek and the monkey. I want to put him above Jet. Yeah, he's above Jet. Chrono Alpha is like. I think you can win every battle with parry because it's the parry move. But other than that, yeah, it's alright. Put him like right above Millennium. Alright, now we're getting to the Midos, which are like absolute powerhouses. This guy's like immediately top C tier. Do I even need to add on? All the flying kaijus are like top tier. A lot of them are. Yeah. Femido still packs a punch. Like, it can clap every Godzilla on this tier list pretty easily. Kill low-level Ultimas and Dormo Godzillas that don't know what they're doing. Muto Prime is just... Wait, what the... Muto... Where did Muto Prime go? Muto Prime is like... Femido, but on S tier. Claire's alright. Has good spam. Has good shit. can do a lot of shit to you. You spam 6 of his first attacks, you get like 3,000 damage. He's good. Motor Long Legs kinda just fell off and died. So did the Skull Crawlers. I still think Motor Long Legs is better. Wendigo's either better or the same as Skull Crawler. USS Argo. Immediately S tier. I think Manila X beats USS. I'm not sure. Titana's Behemoth. My precious boy. Is Femudo but with healing. That means something, doesn't it? Titanosilla is very. She's very. She's very weird now. I don't like it, but yeah, she's alright. I think I'd have to put him like right there. Right there. A lot of flying kaiju can beat her. Have to move you up a little bit. Oh wait, no. Magneto isn't better than 2014. Actually, I'm gonna have to move 2014 a little bit up. He's actually pretty good. False Behemoth is Behemoth, but with status effects. That should mean something. Commander Dolph is alright. Just really, yeah. I can move you up now. There you go. That's where you should be. Now, Nutcracker. Out of all the kaiju, I barely see this and never get to fight him. But I've heard that this guy is just Jet Jaguar Beta, but can heal. And yes, I fought a few, but I forgot what the playstyle was. Like, at all. I think, like, same playstyle as Jet Jaguar. So, yeah. I'm gonna have to, like, put him here for now. Never really got to play him at all. Yeah. So this is my tier list. If you're gonna kill me, it's alright. I'm gonna put Gabra like mid B, probably. And like Rose Bio like probably one of the higher spots on A tier. Like probably right above Titanus Masira. Yeah, that's pretty much it, I have to say. So you disagree, you can kill me. I don't care. Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna move Muto Prime slightly above. Because, yeah, it's Muto Prime. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, bye. Alright, gonna just move him up a little bit. So, are you? Do I move you up a little bit more? I'm gonna move you up a little bit more. Because Kong kinda sucks. Gonna move you a little bit up. Are you better than Kong? No, you're pretty good though. I put you in the wrong spot. I'm gonna move you up a little bit. And yeah, I think that should be it. That should be it. Ready Player One shouldn't be this high, because damage is the only thing he has. And Cherno Alpha is just better. Millennium is slight better, because Millennium does do a lot of damage, and actually has good HP. You shouldn't be so high. Yeah, he's fine. I changed my mind.